gonna need something to drink. You gonna need something to drink, or you gonna be dry mouth. You gonna be choking. What is up, vlog? Another car video. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit because I think it's kind of different, and I finally got to wear those. If you watch my video back where I had got those like camo leaf pants from Walmart, I finally got to wear those today because today is supposedly the first day of spring. However, it was 28 degrees outside this morning. So they gave me an opportunity, okay? When you see things a certain way as an opportunity, I'm gonna take it. So I seen it as an opportunity to wear these pants this year. Is that right? While it's cold, okay? Because I don't know if I'm gonna get that opportunity again. But I bought them to wear them, so here I am. So when I get home, I'll show you this outfit. But yeah, man, where this cold came from, it's supposed to be springtime, and it's freaking 20 something degrees. Like, the weather is really crazy. And even today, like, it was sunshine. Now I walk out of work and it's freaking cloudy and the sun ain't shining. You know, I be watching a lot of TikTok. I don't want to call them what they are, but TikTok theories, conspiracy theories, and they be talking about how they be blocking out the sun and all of that. But yeah, anyways, that's neither here nor there. How's your day going? It's Monday. It's a new start of the week. I hope you're having a great day. If not, do something to make it better. That's all you can do. I'm still working on focusing on keeping my thoughts in the present, and that's been working for me. That's really been working very well. I've been eating a bunch of snacks. I don't know if that's a good thing, but the snacks that I have been eating, hold on, let me park real quick. Dang, I'm gonna be at the front of the line. Okay, here we go. I'm in the line to pick my son up for school, and that's, dang, it's like 25 minutes I'm gonna have to wait. It is what it is. So it's 3 o'clock right now. So I bought a bunch of snacks that I've been eating while I work. But they're kind of like, you know, some healthy stuff, some not. But I've been eating these pistachios. I couldn't find the pumpkin seeds, so I'm gonna have to go somewhere else and look for those. Maybe Walgreens or something. I bought some cashews and almonds. They're just roasted and salted. No sugar on them. Wait, let me read what it say. Just the natural sugar, but no added sugar. So this is the stuff I've been snacking on, as well as some original Pringles. A Heath bar, which I didn't open, but I might get it to my son. I bought some Jell-O with me that I didn't eat. I also opened up the caramel water, and it's so good. That blueberry lemonade kind is that what it is? Anyways, it's good. Like, it's really good. And I'm gonna show you how it worked in another video. I probably won't drink another one till tomorrow. I try to only drink like one a day because I already take probiotics. So I don't want to like have, I don't know if you can have too many. I don't know, but I take probiotics. I'm still drinking that yogurt, so I didn't want to go overboard. But I am gonna order some more flavors because I drink, like I said, one a day. Now, if you don't know about these Albanese, all right, you don't know about these Albanese gummy bears. This the good kind right here. Gluten-free, fat-free, and low sodium. All right, and it got 0 sugar. Sugar alcohol. What is that? Aspartame. That's sugar, but aspartame is not good for you. I bought my son this. Like, it's like a skull type of situation, but it's beef jerky. All right, so you know, don't call the people on me. It's beef jerky chew, and it just looks like it's in a skull can. If I don't know what skull is, Google it. But and then the other thing I got, and I didn't even open, was some peanut butter, grandma's peanut butter cookies. At my old job, I used to eat these cookies all the time, just to snack on. So I was like, let me just grab a couple of these. What I don't like about these is you're gonna need something to drink. You're gonna need something to drink, or you're gonna be dry mouth, you're gonna be choking. Because these cookies are not that moist. Okay? The ones at Walmart taste better than this. But it is what it is. I need something concealed, closed, and all of that. So that's pretty much all the snacks I be bringing with me. And then, like I said, I normally just bring water, the caramel water, and then I bought some Gatorades, Gatorade Zeros. I'm just trying to read and see if this got aspartame in it too, but it don't. So I'm sure it got something else. Sucrose, that's sugar. Sucralose. They try to like name multidextrose, sucrose. We know sucrose is sugar. But anyways, it says zero sugar, but we know what it is. But I bought some of these Gatorade Zeros, but my kids will probably drink those. I don't really be drinking that. So I want to get something that's gonna have some energy. I'm not tired or anything, but just be standing up and like pivoting basically all day from one machine to the next machine. So it's kind of like, you know, I'll be having to do this a lot, like stretch my back and stuff, because I'm not used to that. I haven't had to like stand up all day for a very long time, so it is what it is. But I wore better shoes, so I ain't feel it as much this time. When I wore them Chucks the first day, I felt it. I don't know if it's because it's just flat-footedness, but I wore some different shoes. But let me get off of here. Let me just listen to my music. I'm listening to Shawn Mendes. There's nothing holding me back. I might edit that out. Might edit that out. Alright? So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I did have on a jacket too this morning, but I just got on this long sleeve. You've seen a shirt before. It's my Grogu shirt. Got a compliment on that. Lady was like, I love Grogu. It's one of my favorite characters. I said he's one of my favorite too. And the reason why is I hope that he's more like Yoda, like with the knowledge and everything. I like that, okay? So that's why he's one of my favorite characters. And I just love the whole Mandalorian series, period. I just like Star Wars. I do. I'm not going to cap. I just like Star Wars. Like, it's one of those series where I feel like some of the movies are okay. Some of them are a miss. And then, boom. I feel like every time they miss, to me, the next movie always be good. And then they miss, and then the next one is good. And then even the old ones, like, I go back and I watching them like, interesting. Be alright. 'Cause if we lost our minds and we took it way too far, I know we'd be alright. I know we would be alright. Baby, there's nothing holding you back. You take me places that tear up my reputation, manipulate my decisions. Buddha lovers. 1999. You gotta let me smoke the Buddha. Water. Give me the water. I don't know what he said. This away, that away. I get love from everybody you see. Then hang over the wall of the VIP. Okay, so here is the caramel water. I know y'all probably tired of me showing this, but this is gonna be the last time. Unless I get some new flavors, I'll just let you know how they taste. Probably am gonna order some more this weekend. So you peel off the label. That's on top. And then as you can see, this part you push down. So I'm gonna just push that down and you see it going in there. And that's all the stuff. And you just shake it. And now it turns purple and blue. But yeah, anyways, I'm just eating Subway. I had a tuna 6-inch on wheat bread. As if that's any of y'all business, but with avocado, with guac on there, I mean, with tomato, spinach. I never get the lettuce. Like, I think I just never get it. Spinach, cucumbers, and pickles. Salt, pepper, vinegar oil. Alright, in case y'all want to give me some food. Alright, salt, pepper, vinegar oil, honey mustard, and light mayo. And that's how it looks. It just turns the color, and then that lets you know that your probiotics have been activated, and you got, like, I don't know how long you got to drink this. But I'm probably about to chug this. I ain't gonna lie. And you just open the cap. So the cap is this whole entire cap. Yeah, I gotta go. It's good though. I'm gonna try another flavor though. But anyways, I gotta go. What is up, vlog? It's another day. It's actually your girl's birthday. It's actually a palindrome, 323. 23, and it's backwards the same way. 323, 23. Gang, Aries, gang. Okay. But yeah, I'm just grateful for another day. I don't really celebrate birthdays, but I do always buy myself something. So you'll see what I bought myself in a later vlog. But yeah, I'm just grateful for another day, another opportunity, and all of the blessings to come to me in many more years of longevity and prosperity. That's all I pray for. So I hope that today you having a good day. My day was good. I've been working, and now I gotta bring my kids to the eye doctor. I'm not gonna record in there. They already done made me mad. We supposed to be there at 3:30. I knew we wasn't gonna be there at 3:30. I already knew this. Like, I don't normally get home till like almost 4 o'clock. So I'm trying to call these people to let them know, yeah, I'm gonna be running, 10-15 minutes late, possibly. What do? Pick up the phone, hang it up. Call back, pick up the phone, hang it up. Okay, y'all just gonna wait for us. Whenever we get there, we gonna be there. Cause how you not answering your phone? I can hear you pick up the phone and hang the phone back down. Like, I hear you talking. But it is what it is. Just like my bracelet say, child, it is what it is. We get there when we get there. But other than that, it turned out to be a beautiful day today. Clouds are nice and fluffy. The sky is blue. The sun is shining. Because this morning, it was raining. Yeah. But anyways, I don't really have much to come on here and show you today. I just wanted to drop in, and you can wish me a happy birthday in the comments if you made it this far in the video. If not, I think this is where I'm going to end it. So tap that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload another video, and then hit the like button and comment down below. But again, this is Glass House Maya, nobody flyer. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Got me feeling like it's Sunday evening. Sun going down, but ain't nobody leaving.